Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make myself a tabletop easel. I haven't planned for this video, but I'll get you through this video. And friends, I have a scrapboard right here. I'm just drying it. It is so soaking wet. Right now it's 2 o'clock and it's a bit sunny and 36 degrees Celsius. I'm like sweating wet, but still I'm going to make the tabletop easel and let's get started. So friends, for the first step, I haven't cleaned the wood yet because it's just a firewood. I'm going to clean it and sand it, and let's get the wood ready first. Here we go. We're done with the sanding. Oh shit. We're done with the sanding. Let's cut the parts and start assembling it. Yeah. So here's the plan which I have for this easel. This is a tabletop easel and this is not a good blueprint by any means. If you are an engineer or a carpenter, I'm so sorry. But still, for me, this is more than enough and this is going to be like an hit and trial method. So I'm going to start doing it and I think I can figure it out.